What if you always knew? The right choice, the real intention behind the smile, the answer before anyone said the question. There is a rune formula to activate the dormant ability of intuition. Watch to the end to learn how to activate it. This rune formula consists out of 4 runes. The first rune is the rune Ansus, rune of god Odin, rune of clarity, wisdom and understanding. This rune will help you to enhance your perception and wisdom, so you will be able to understand things better. The next rune is the rune Lagus, rune of the water element, strongly related to intuition and to trance states. This rune will enhance your intuition and will teach you about using trance states. The next rune is Kenas, rune of the fire energy, rune of passion and of life energy. This rune also represents a light that dissolves darkness, so in the hidden areas of the subconscious mind, the rune Kenas will help you highlight the needed information. And the fourth rune is the rune Sovilo, rune of the sun, rune of light, also shining light on the hidden areas, on the unknown, dissolving darkness and allowing you to see clearly. Together these 4 runes will greatly enhance your intuition and perception. An appropriate incantation could sound like this. By the power of these runes, my ability to see, understand and perceive will be greatly enhanced, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.